Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Silverplex with fabulous news and entertainment. Every day we are giving you fantastic coverage of Yellowstone and Gentleman Jack. Today in the brand new episode of Cast and Crew, we are presenting you gorgeous, sexy and star of the heart, Kelly Riley. Please subscribe to the Silverplex. All we need is your support and love. We continuously grant you the best entertainment gossips, fun, romance and excitements about your one celebrities in the Gentleman Jack and Yellowstone, in the real life and real life. Born on 18 July 1977 in Chessington, Kelly Riley is the daughter of Jack Riley. Jack Riley was a police officer and her mother was a hospital receptionist. Grown up in Chessington in Surrey of England, became a star of the London stage after her outstanding performance of Miss Julie at the Donmar Warehouse. Struggle or Riley is the key to her success. The grand star of today, Kelly, in search of a show on television, had to suffer dozens of ups and downs. For getting her face shown on the TV screen, Kelly herself wrote stories to the producers. The television drama brought her into our eyesight was based on her one writing, Prime Suspect. It was not an easy step. She waited for 6 months for audition. You can see her youngest look at her entry in a grand episode of Prime Suspect 4 Inner Circle. The entry door of Kelly into the television screen Prime Suspect 4 Inner Circle was broadcasted on 7th of May on ITV. This started her long, exceptional and successful journey as a star of our hearts. Oh, I forget to say the name of the star of today, full name of Kelly. The English star we are presenting you today was born as Jessica Kelly Soban Riley. If you are already a Yellowstone fan, you may know the talent of Kelly Riley. Presenting her as Beth Dotton earned millions of fans, Kelly Riley started her Yellowstone journey in 2018. After a history of her back-to-back successful films, Kelly got a grand break in the Yellowstone episode Daybreak as a star-cast Beth Dotton. You can sometimes see the younger version of Beth Dotton in the television screen. She is not the early-aged Kelly Riley. The younger Beth Dotton you have seen in the fabulous sweet little Kylie Rogers. Kylie Rogers can be seen in the several flashbacks of the Yellowstone. Besides the blockbuster Yellowstone, you can see Kelly Riley in several other dramas and movies. 8 of Silver appeared as Isabella Laurent is casting in 2021. Laura in her upcoming movie Promises is under post-production. Ellie 2019, Teen into 10 2018, The Take 2016 and several other grand movies have already won an special place in the soul of fans. As successful as in movies, in several heart-winning TV series, and she has achieved special attention. Yellowstone's new season is a grand back of her role as Beth Dotton. She was presenting as Kara in Britannia TV series premiered in 2017 to 2018 and gave us her outstanding act in 9 episodes. True Detective 2015 as Jordan Simeon. Her Black Box television series as Dr. Catherine Box had got a market boost in 2014. Appeared in 13 episodes on the series. Kiss the Sky was her entry episode in the Black Box. We have a lot more to say about lovely Beth Dotton. Kelly Riley. Please subscribe to the Silverplex for your loved characters. Doses of fun and romance is yet to arrive on the Silverplex. Every day we are giving you fantastic peace in the Silverplex. Stay tuned to the channel. Press the bell icon and comment your views in the comment box. Don't forget to like and share the video. Coming tomorrow with a brand new episode. Take care. Bye bye.